Hi everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we were invited to the Philippine Army Gym through our non-profit called Well Balanced World. We first provided a health talk about the benefits of chiropractic care, and then we demonstrated the power of the chiropractic adjustment. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the bell for notifications.
Isang ruler yung hindi pa bigyan na ay, grabe, kasi napunta yung hindi pa na tayo bakit ako pag marami hindi na alagaan daw tayo grabe na pagkukuha nito naku, grabe
Nice.
relax.
Perfect. Lay on your side this way, please.
Yung ilong nilot, daw straight ng likod. Yung ilong nilot, tumod.
Relax na kasi mo. Pigilan, Ruth. Huwag kang magpisilan.
On your back. Stay right there. No, stay right there.
Ay,
Let's get down.
first quarter din siya, oh.
Kung magalalot, walang tatamaan.
Yung daw siya. Ayun, nalikod mo, no. Wala, straight na. Nagkakata sa bagay mo.
Okay kayo. Ay.
Ay, sorry. Yan na. Alit na naman din niya kanina. Relax ka na natin. Yes, lulo ka pa.
I'm Corporal Ricardo Malaluan. I feel good and feel better. I feel like the crunchy of my bones.
If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button and leave a comment below. We post weekly chiropractic videos. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. There are more videos on our visit to the Philippine Army Gym. To continue watching another video, the one above here is the one I chose, and the one down here is what YouTube chose for you. See you soon. Take care and be well.